everyone. So we're back with the book Maria and Her Teacher. So we talked about the characters in this story yesterday. We talked about who Maria is, who the teacher is, and we looked really closely at what they were doing in the book. So we noticed, that they were talking, they were writing, they were reading, they were adding, they smile, they paint, they clean, they play. So a lot of different things that these characters do together in the classroom, Maria and her teacher. And today I want to look at the words in the story, the text of the book, the sentences, a little bit closer. So there's some words in here that you guys definitely know. First, you'll see this word. You'll see this word. Do you know what word that is? A-N-D. That's the word and. A-N-D. So that word shows up on all the pages. But then there's another word that maybe you don't know as well. And it's this word right here, H-E-R. I'm going to spell it out for you. H-E-R. And that word is her. So let's scroll through the pages really quick and see where we could find the word her. Do you see it anywhere? I see it right here. Her. Again, her. Her. So that word is her, and that's talking about Maria, right? Because we're saying Maria, that's this word, and her. Do you know what this word is? Think about the characters again. Maria and her teacher. Maria and her teacher. That makes sense. So those are the tricky words. Those are some of the tricky words, Maria, her, teacher, in this book. And then there's also what they're doing together, right? So let's look at this page. We have Maria. I'm going to read this page. Ready? Maria. Oh, I know this word. And there's that tricky word, H-E-R. Her teacher. Maria and her teacher. And now I want to think about what they're doing to figure out what this tricky word is. I'm going to get my mouth ready and say this first sound. Maria and her teacher. I'm going to look through the whole word. Kay says, K. Maria and her teacher. Talk. I'm going to check the picture again. Yep, they're definitely talking. So that makes sense. Maria and her teacher talk. Good job. Let's try the next one. Let's see if you can figure it out. I see Maria and her teacher. Ooh, this is kind of tricky because W-R, when W and R are together like that, they don't make the W sound like W. They actually just make the sound like R. So it would be Maria and her teacher. What are they doing? Right. Maria and her teacher write. So that sound makes sense. Oops. This sound makes sense. And I'm going to read through the whole word. Right. I see a T. And I'm going to check the picture. Yep, makes sense. Maria and her teacher write. Let's look at the next page. I'm going to point. I want to see if you can read. This is a tricky word. So we know Maria, and we learned that this word is her teacher. Maria and her teacher, what are they doing? Could it be read a book? I'm going to clap those words out. Read a book. Let's put a dot for every word. Maria and her teacher read a book? Does this make sense? No, right? Because there's only one word here, not 1, 2, 3 words. So I'm going to erase that. That can't be. Let's look closely at that word to try to figure out what it says. Maria and her teacher read. Check the picture. Yep, they're reading, right? So Maria and her teacher read. Maria and her teacher read. That makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. I'm going to clap the sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? Maria and her teacher read. Let's stamp them. Maria and her teacher read. That makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. And it makes sense when you look at the picture. Next one. Try to read it yourself. Get your mouth ready for this tricky word down here. Maria and her teacher do math? Maybe. Let's stamp it. Maria and her teacher do math. Nope. Not enough words for that sentence. Let's erase that and try again. Ooh, I'm going to look closely at this picture. Oh, I noticed they're adding, right? So let's try with the word add. Let's see if that makes sense. Maria and her teacher add. That makes sense. And I looked through the whole word. I got my mouth ready. Add. Maria and her teacher add. Let's do one more. Maria and try to figure out this one. I notice a blend. Remember, when we have two letters that aren't vowels next to each other like this, it's called a blend. So, put them in a mixing bowl, mix them together. What are they doing? Look through the whole word. Smile. Maria and her teacher smile. It can't be Maria and her teacher smile at each other, right? Because that's way too many words. That would be Maria and her teacher smile at each other. No, way too many words. Way too many words. So it is just Maria and her teacher smile. I'm going to turn the page one more time. I want you to try to figure out this last one all by yourself. Let's read it together. Maria and her teacher paint. Paint. Check the picture. Totally makes sense. Maria and her teacher paint. All right, guys. Good job reading today. You did an awesome job, and we're going to try to finish this book tomorrow. Bye, guys.